Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So in this class, we'll look at the solutions to the correction on formula method of solving quadratic equations. So the first question we have, solve this equation using formula method. So we have 2x squared minus 8x minus 8x plus 4 equals to 0. So the first thing we need to do is to identify uh, this is A, while this is B, and this is C. All right. So the formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by what? 2a. So a here equals to 2, b equals to minus 8. So the 8, the minus is with the what? Is with the 8, and c is what? 4. All right. So we're going to put the values of this variable into this formula. So that means minus b, that is minus b is already minus 8 into bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root b squared, that is minus 8 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 2, multiplied by c, which is also what? 4. So we divide everything by 2 times a, which is 2. I hope this is clear. So from here now, minus times minus, that is plus. This will be 8 plus or minus. Then square root of minus a squared is what? 64. Square of minus a squared is 64, sorry. Minus 4 times 2, 8, times 4, that is 32. I hope that is clear. So that is 32 divided by 4. So from here we can have, okay, let's have it here. So we can have 8 plus or minus square root 64 minus 32, that is 32 divided by what? 4. So x, don't forget this is x, so x will then be equals to 8 plus or minus, we'll look for the square root of 32. So square root of 32 gives us 5.6569. So to 4 decimal places first, divided by 4. So we can then have, so that will be 8. You can say 8 plus 5.6569 divided by 4, or 8 minus 5.6569 divided by what? By 4. So let's see what we're going to have. So 8 plus 5.6569 divided by 4. So this gives us 3.41, or 8 minus 5.6569 divided by 4. So this gives 0.59 to 2 dp. So we have 3.41, 0.59. Okay, they are both positive, so the answer is option A. That's the first. That's that on the first question. On the second question, so we have 3y squared minus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. So from this, a is 3, then b is minus 5, and the c is minus 9. So the formula, which is y, because it's what we're looking for here, will be minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by what? 2a. So let's put the values there now. So this is going to be b, which is minus, that will be minus 5 plus or minus square root b, that is minus 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 3, multiplied by c, which is minus 9. Alright, everything divided by 2 times 3. Alright, so this will then give us, so this is plus, minus times minus is plus, then plus minus square root 25, minus times minus here, that will be plus, so 4 times 3 times 9, 4 times 3 times 9. So that gives 100 and what? 108 divided by what? 6. I hope we're making sense. So this will give us 5 plus or minus square root 25 plus 108 plus 25. That gives us 133, everything divided by 6. So that means 5 plus or minus square root. So this gives 11.535325 divided by 6. So from here, so we can then have 5 plus 11.5325 divided by 6, or 5 minus 11.5325 divided by what? 6. So let's see the final answer. So y equals to 5 plus 11.5325 divided by 6. So this gives 2.78, or 5 minus 11.5325 divided by 6. This gives minus 1.09. Minus 1.09. Sorry, this is 6. 2.76. 2.76 and then minus 1.0. 2.76. That is option B. You have to be very careful. The options look alike. So we'll go to question number 3 now. Question 3. In question 3, we have solve these equations using formula method. So we have x squared plus 6x minus 14 equals to 0. So from here, our a is what? 1, because there's 1 beside this one, that is 1. B is 6, and the c is minus 14. So x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by what? 2a. Alright, okay, so let's put the values now. So therefore x equals to minus b, that is minus 6, plus or minus square root, that is going to be 6 squared minus 4 times 1, then c is what? Minus 14, everything divided by 2 times what? 1. So this will give us minus 6 plus or minus square root 36. So minus times minus, we change this one to plus. So 4 times 14, 4 times 14 gives us 56. Everything divided by what? 2. So we're going to have this. X is equal to minus 6 plus or minus. So 36 plus 50, 36 plus 56. So that gives a square root of 92 all over 2. I hope you can see the way I'm doing it. So this is going to be minus 6 plus or minus. So we find the square root of 92, and that gives us 9.5917. Everything divided by what? 2. So therefore x so will then be equals to minus 6 plus 9.95917 divided by 2, or minus 6 minus 9.5917 divided by what? 2 as well. So and then let's find the final answer. So minus 6 plus 9.517 divided by 2. So this gives 1.795859, or minus 6 minus 9.5917 divided by 2. So this gives minus 7.7959. So to 2 dp now, this will give us 1 point. So this is going to be 1.80, or minus 7.80. So 1.80 minus 7.8, 1.8. Okay, that is option B. Option B has 1.8 or minus 7.8. So that's question 4. Right. So we have minus 4a squared plus 2a plus 6 equals to 0. So a in this case is minus 4, b is 2, yc is what? 6. Alright, so let's the formula, which is a equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by what? 2a. So we then put the values now. So minus, that's minus 2, b is 2, plus or minus square root b squared, that is 2 squared, minus 4 times a, which is minus 4, times c, which is 6. Everything divided by 2 times minus 4. I hope this is clear. So this is minus 2 plus or minus square root. 2 squared is 4, minus, the minus times minus, we change this one to plus. So 4 times 4 times 6, 4 times 4 times 6 equals to 96, divided by what? Minus 8. So this will give us minus 2 plus or minus square root 100 divided by minus 8. So which is minus 2 plus or minus 10 divided by what? Minus 8. I hope I'm making sense. Right. So square root of 100 is 10. So that minus 2 plus 10 divided by minus 8, or minus 2 minus 10 divided by what? Minus 8. So this will give us 8 divided by minus 8, or minus 12 divided by what? Minus 8. So I hope this is clear. So that means a will be equal to minus 1, or 12 divided by 8, that's 1.5, minus cancel minus, this will give us 1.5. So the answer is minus 1 or 1.5. Minus 1 or 1.5, that is option C. I hope that is very clear. So we'll move to the next question. Question number 5 now. Question 5, the last question here. So what we have here, we have minus 3x squared equals to, we now have a bracket, x plus 2 into bracket x minus 1. So when you see this, you can see that it's not in this format, the format that we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we're going to expand this bracket and simplify everything to be in this format. So in that case, we have minus 3x squared equals to x times x. This will give us x squared, x times minus 1 minus x, 2 times x plus 2x. 2 times minus 1 is what? Minus 2. So let's take everything to the left hand side. That will be minus 3x squared minus x squared. All right. Uh, then plus x to minus 2x, then plus 2 equal to 0. So minus 3x squared minus x squared gives us minus 4x squared. All right. Plus x minus 2x, that gives us minus what? X. Then plus 2 equal to what? 0. So from here now, we can see that a is minus 4, b is equal to minus 1, and the c equals to what? 2. Hope that is very clear. So we can then use the formula now, so which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by what? 2a. So this will give us b, which is minus 1, then this will become plus 1, plus or minus square root b squared, that is 1 squared, minus 4 times a, which is minus 4, times c, which is 2, everything divided by 2 times minus 4. I hope I'm making sense. All right. So this will give us is plus 1. This will then be what? 1 plus or minus square root of 1, minus times minus, that is plus 4 times 4, 16 times 2, that is 32. Everything divided by what? Minus what? 8. So uh, we can then move to this place. This will give us 1 plus or minus square root 33. Everything divided by what? Minus 8. So that means 1 plus or minus. So square root 33 now. Square root 33 gives us 5.7446 divided by minus 8. So let's have our final answer will then be 1 plus 5.7446 divided by minus 8, or 1 minus 5.7446 divided by minus 8. So this will be 1. So 1 plus 5.7446 divided by minus 8 equals to minus 0.8408, or 1 minus 7 point minus, sorry, minus 5.7446 divided by minus 8. So this gives us 0.5931. So to two decimal places, that will be minus 0.84 or 0.59. Right. So minus 0.84 or 0.59. Minus 0.84 or 0.59. That's option C. Option C. So that is the answer. So that is all for this video. I hope you find this video useful and helpful. So if you find it useful and helpful, don't forget to give us a big like. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to watch, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we release video like this, you'll be able to get notification of it and benefit from it. So thank you. Bye for now.